Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to discuss on examples on DFT as we have discussed in the last lecture. A definition of DFT, definition of IDFT, and how DFT and IDFT are acting as a linear transformation. So that we have discussed yesterday. So, and I have given you one example for homework. I don't know how many of you have solved it. Can I get the answer of that example? How many of you have solved the question? This is the answer for the last example which I have given as a homework. How many of you have got this answer? X of k equals to 4, 1 minus j, 2.414, 0, 1 minus j, 0.414, 0, 1 plus j, 0.414, 0, 1 plus j, 2.414. Hello? Am I audible? Hello? Am I audible clearly? Only one candidate has got this answer. What about others?
Yes, sir, got it.
Okay, you also got it.
Sir, got this.
Hello? Okay, so here one more thing I wanted to tell you that. So this is how many samples are there in the output? How many samples are there in the output now?
8.
8 samples are there. So this is our x of 0 value, right? If you leave this, these are the 7 sample. Abhi 7 samples ka center point will be this point, right? This is the center point. Okay, and by looking at this 7.7 value, center point is 0, and this should be a complex conjugate of one another. है ना यहाँ पे? It is like 1 minus j 0.1414 and this is 1 plus j 0.414. You should get answer this way. Then only we can say that this is the correct one, right? तो ये 0 है, so 0 के लिए 0, right? This is 0 to 0. It will be like, okay, there is no question. Then again, if you look at into this part, so this will be क्या है यहाँ पे अभी? Is the answer is like complex conjugate of one another? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So then only we can say that ki our answers, if we are getting the answer this way, like complex conjugate of one another, so then we assume that what the question we have solved, yes, it is correct answer. तो आपको एक confidence आ जाएगा वहां पे. अगर if you are not getting the answer this way, so you need to think that somewhere you have done a mistake in doing addition or multiplication. Clear? Is that clear?
Yes, sir, clear.
Okay. Now let's take next example. You please take the next question. So let me take out this. Take the next question. Find DFT of a sequence. Find DFT of a sequence. Find DFT of the sequence. DFT of the sequence. X of n is equals to X of n equals to, we have it is 1 for 0 less than or equals to n less than or equals to 2, for 0 less than or equals to n less than or equals to 2, and is 0 otherwise. And is 0 otherwise. For n equals to 4, for n equals to 4, then plot magnitude x of k, plot magnitude x of k and phase x of k, plot magnitude x of k and phase x of k. I'll repeat the question. Find DFT of the sequence x of n equals to 1 for 0 less than or equals to n less than or equals to 2 and is 0 otherwise for n equals to 4, and plot magnitude x of k and phase x of k. Now let's write a solution for this. Let's write a solution. So what is the formula of DFT here? Who will tell me? Formula of DFT in matrix form. First, we will calculate the DFT of the sequence. Then we will find DFT. To find DFT of the sequence. To find DFT of x of n. To find DFT of x of n. What we have the formula is x of k is equals to wn to the power k into x of n. Okay, so now how we are writing for this wn? Wn to the power k matrix. Now you tell me the matrix. How to write a matrix? Can anyone tell me how to
All
write matrix?
0 1 1 1.
Huh? So here first row and first column will be 1 1, right? This first row and first column will be all ones, as it is 4 point. So we have to write a 4 by 4 matrix. Then what about here? Minus j, minus 1 and j. Okay, and this is minus 1 1 minus 1. Then again
J
j
minus 1 minus J.
1 minus j. This is the matrix we are writing. And here we want to write the input x of n. So what is x of n is here? So x of n is having a value 1 for what samples? Can you tell me? It's having a value 1 for what samples?
0 to 2.
0 to 2 means this is 1 1 1, right? 1 1 1 matlab this is 0 1 and 2, but we need to calculate the value for 4 samples, so we can add 1 0 here, right? So as we require to calculate n equals to 4, so we have to make the input samples should be equals to 4. So that is 1 1 1 0 we can write. Understood? Any difficulty here? Any question, any doubt? So like
No,
let's
sir.
take here, let's take the values 1 1 1 0. Then you just calculate the answer and tell me. Yes, what is the answer now?
3 minus J 1 J.
This is 3
minus J.
Okay, 3. First point is 3. Then second is
minus J 1
1
J.
J. ओके, तो अभी मैंने जैसा बताया कि आपको ये पहला नंबर कांस्टेंट है, यहाँ पे इट्स 3 विल बी कांस्टेंट फॉर दीज 3 वैल्यूज. इफ यू लुक द सेंटर पॉइंट इज 1 और उसके बाजू वाले 2 कॉम्प्लेक्स कॉन्जुगेट है, राइट? सो आंसर आपको कॉम्प्लेक्स कॉन्जुगेट आना ही है, सो देन ओनली वी कैन से दैट सो दिस इज करेक्ट. Yes, it is correct. How many of you have got this answer?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Only 4 members. What about others? Anybody has any question here?
No,
Now,
sir.
this answer I can write it as, क्योंकि अभी हमें फेज और मैग्नीट्यूड कैलकुलेट करना है, so we require this term in the form of like x plus jy, right? तो यहाँ पे क्या लिख सकता हूँ मैं अभी, what I can write here is 3 plus j 0 I can write, बराबर. Then this is 0 minus j 1 I can write, j into 1. Then again this is 1 plus j 0 I can write, j into 0. Then again this is 0 plus j into 1. This is what I have written the answer in the form of x plus jy. x plus jy के फॉर्म में आंसर लिखा है मैंने अभी. Okay. Now suppose if I want to calculate the magnitude of this function, what is the formula we are having? If I want to calculate a magnitude of this function, so what is the formula? What is the formula we are having?
under root x square plus y square.
It's under root x square plus y square. Very good. And if I want to calculate the phase part,
Tan inverse y by x.
Tan inverse of
tan inverse of y by x. Okay.
y by x.
So we will do it in that way and calculate the values. Okay, then we will plot it. Okay. So just let me take this. I'm just taking the notes also day wise as per your suggestion. So let me store it here somewhere. Okay. Then now we know that. So here, so let us calculate the magnitude and phase now. Let me delete it. So this I want as a reference. Let me take it here. Now let's write the second point. You just write now. Second point, to find magnitude. To find magnitude x of k. To find magnitude x of k. Okay. So suppose if I want here magnitude x of 0 is equals to what I will write? Square root of, can you tell me now? What is magnitude x of 0? So this is like
3.
It is 3 square
3 square plus
plus
0.
0 square. Okay. So which will be equals to it is 9. Right? Then second, magnitude x of 1 will be equals
3
to
येणार ना सर 3 येणार ना रूट आहे ना.
okay, root is there, sorry. So here 3 square will get cancelled with root. So we will get only 3 here. Okay. So this will be 3. Now, what about second term? Magnitude x of 1 will be equals to again 0 square plus 1 square. So what is the answer here? It is 1. Then magnitude x of 2, which will be equals to square root of 1 square plus 0 square will be equals to 1. Magnitude x of 3 is equals to square root of 0 square plus 1 square will be equals to 1. So what is the answer now? Magnitude x of k will be equals to, what we will write? Magnitude x of k will be equals to, we will write it as
3
3
1 1
1 1 1. Hope everyone has understood this. Any doubt here? किसी को कोई डाउट है यहाँ पे?
No sir.
Now let us plot this. Now if I want to plot this magnitude part, So what I will do is I will just plot it like this. Let me plot the signal here. So this way I'm plotting it. So this is magnitude x of k. With respect to k, we are plotting. This is at 0, 1, 2, and 3. So what is the value at 0?
3.
It is 3. So we are going to write it here as a 3. So at 0, we have the value 3. This is 0, this is 3. Then at 1, what is the value? Its amplitude is
0,
1.
1.
1 it's 1. Then at 2 also it is 1. And at 3 also it is 1.
1.
Right? So this is the way we can calculate magnitude and we can plot it. Understood? Any difficulty here?
No, sir.
Okay. Now let us calculate the phase term also. Hope you are all noting this properly. Note कर रहे सब लोग?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Any
sir.
doubt here? Any question?
No, sir.
Boys, can anyone respond? क्या आप लोगों ने वोट लेके रखा है कि हम कुछ नहीं बोलेंगे बोल के? Right? Boys are there? Almost 43 is the strength. Yes? Mahesh, are you there?
Yes, sir. Yes.
In between, you should speak the things, right? Simply
Yes, sir,
like
yes.
one-way communication should not be happen.
Okay,
Any
sir.
doubt here? Any questions?
No, sir.
And ask your friends also because like हम लोगों का वही तो प्रॉब्लम है अभी, right? तो हम लोग कुछ बोलना ही नहीं चाहते हैं. And until and unless when you will not start speaking, so your confidence level will not improve, right? And whenever you are making habit of asking the questions, automatically your concentration on the lectures will improve and automatically your confidence level will improve with that. That's my suggestion to you all. So make a habit of asking the questions.
Yes, sir.
Okay, is that clear? Now let's move to the next part. Now let me move to the next part. Sorry. Let's find the phase of this function. So how do we calculate the phase? As I mentioned you already. Now let us calculate the phase part. So ये मुझे रखना है. I will keep it as it is. So here this part I will remove. How do you find the phase now? Formula हमें पता है. Just write the third point. To find phase. And these are all the things we are performing with the MATLAB also. Right? यहाँ पे जो हम अभी magnitude plot and phase plot we are performing. So that we are doing with the MATLAB also. Right? To find the phase, that is phase of x of k. Okay. Now suppose to find this phase of x of k, like first x of 0 I need to find. What is the formula we are having? Tan inverse of y by x, right? Tan inverse of y by x. So which will be equals to tan inverse of minus tan inverse है या सिर्फ tan inverse है?
Only tan inverse.
Tan inverse of y by x. What is y? What is the value of y here? It's 0 divided by 3. तो कितना है आंसर इसका? So what will be its answer? What is the answer? Tan inverse of 0 by 3.
0.
It is 0. Tan inverse of क्या होगा अभी ये 0/3 is what? 0 होता है, infinity होता है? Hello? Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Tan inverse of 0/3. 0/3 is what?
0.
0. So tan inverse of 0 is 0. Okay. Then similarly, we calculate x of 1. X of 1 equals to, that is phase of x of 1 equals to, we are writing it as tan inverse of y by x. So which will be equals to tan inverse of, the value is now,
-1.
it is -1 by 0 we are having, right? So first we have to take this minus sign outside. So minus of tan inverse of my 1 by 0. So now what is the answer? Tan inverse of 1 by 0 is what? Infinite.
Infinity.
So tan inverse of infinity is what? Pi by
Pi
2.
by 2, 90.
So it is minus pi by 2 we will get. Correct? Then similarly, phase of x of 2 we will calculate. Just calculate and tell me the answer.
0.
It is again 0. Then phase of x of 3 will be equals to,
Plus pi by 2.
it's plus pi by 2, right? So now we can write the phase of x of k will be equals to, what are the values? We got it as 0 minus pi by 2, 0 plus pi by 2. Okay. So these are the values we got. And then now we will just plot this function. Let me plot this. So if I wanted to plot this, how do you plot it? So we can plot it as this way. Right. So here I will write it as phase of x of k. This is with respect to k. This is plus pi by 2. And this is minus pi by 2. Right. So what are the values we will get here? Like this is 0, 1, 2, and 3. Okay. Now, so what are the answers we get? At 0, what is the answer? At 0, it is 0. At 1, what we have? We have it is minus pi by 2. So we'll write it like this, as a minus pi by 2. And again at 2, it is 0. And at 3, again, it is plus pi by 2. Right? So this is the way how we have calculated the phase of the DFT sequence. Understood? Any question here? Any doubt? Anybody has any question?
No, sir.
You please note down this. Hope you understood how to calculate the DFT and IDFT. Okay, now can I move to the next example?
Yes, sir.
Have you noted this?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, let's take the next question. And here I will just give you the Just a minute. Huh? So you just, hello,
Yes, sir.
take some more
Sir,
examples.
magnitude and phase पण काढायचं का?
Huh? Oh, you can calculate magnitude. This is just for a practice purpose. I will give you some more examples. You just take that and solve the examples. X of n is equals to x of n equals to, we have like 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0. Then third one, you can take it as find IDFT of the sequence. Find IDFT of the sequence. Just please note down these examples and solve it as a homework. Find IDFT of the sequence. X of k is equals to, x of k is equals to, we have it is 5, 0, 1 minus j, 0, 1, 0, 1 plus j, 0. 5, 0, 1 minus j, 0, 1, 0, 1 plus j and 0. You just take these three examples and calculate its DFT and IDFT. Okay. So let us move to the next part. Let me take one more example so that we can solve it here. Shall I repeat now? Have you taken this part? 1, 2, 3 questions?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now let us move to the next part. Take one more question. Find the 4-point DFT of the sequence. Find the 4-point DFT of the sequence. 4-point DFT of the sequence. X of n is equals to, find 4-point DFT of the sequence. X of n is equals to, x of n is equals to cos n pi by 4, cos n pi by 4 for n equals to 0, 1, 2 and 3. Cos n pi by 4, n equals to 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay. So can anyone tell me how do you solve this? Who will tell me how to solve this question? Yes.
So x of 0, x of 1 value काढायचं.
Yes. First we need to generate a sequence, right? So here, so we'll write x of n. You just note down once again, and now by putting n equals to 0, 1, 2, 3, we have to calculate the values. At n equals to 0, what will happen to the x of 0? X of 0 will be again cos 0, which will be equals to 1 it is. Okay, at n equals to 1, x of 1, which will be equals to cos of pi by 4. What is the answer for cos pi by 4?
1 by root 2.
1 by root 2, or it is simply we can write it as 0.707. Okay, then at n equals to 2, we can write it as x of 2, which will be equals to cos 2 pi by 4, means cos pi by 2. What is the answer for cos pi by 2?
0.
It is 0. Then again n equals to 3, x of 3, which will be equals to cos 3 pi by 4. Answer is, what is the answer? Cos 3 pi by 4. The answer for this is what is the answer of cos 3 pi by 4?
Minus 0.707.
Is minus 0.707. So now we got x of n. So x of n will be, what is the x of n now? It is 1, 0.707, 0, minus 0.707. Okay. Now further part, can you do it? Can you do the further part? So further, what we need to do? We need to calculate x of k. So what is x of k here? X of k equals to, we'll write the matrix function. Matrix कैसा लिखेंगे आप इसका अभी? Like first row will be 1, first column will be 1. This is again minus j, minus 1, j. This is minus 1, 1, minus 1, and this is j, minus 1, j, multiplied with the value. What is the value here? 1, 0.707. Then again 0, it is minus 0.707. Okay, you just simplify and tell me the answer. Simplify and tell me the answer. So till that time, I will take your attendance also. Find x of n if x of k equals to, find x of n if x of k is equals to, if x of k is equals to, we have it is 1 minus j2, comma, okay, sorry, it's not like 1 minus j2. First one is 0. First one is 0. And second is 1 minus j2, comma, third one is minus 1, comma, 1 plus j2. So this is the question. A solution of this. Let's find a solution of this. What is the formula of IDFT? Can anyone tell me? IDFT we are going to find here. What is the formula? कोई बता सकते हैं मुझे? What is the formula of IDFT? X of n is equals to 1 by n into wn to the power minus k into x of k, minus k into x of k, right? This is equals to 1 by n is, what is value of n here? Hello?
1/4.
Value of n is 4, right?
Yes.
Now we are writing a matrix for IDFT. So first row will remain same, like 1 1 1, and first column will be all ones. तो यहाँ पे क्या change होगा अभी? What is the difference in writing a matrix of DFT and IDFT? What is the difference in writing a matrix of DFT and IDFT?
Sign change.
फेज टर्म का साइन चेंज होता है यहाँ पे, राइट? सो इट विल बी, वहां पे माइनस जे है, हियर आई विल टेक इट एज प्लस जे, दिस -1 एंड दिस इज माइनस जे, दिस इज -1 1 1 एंड दिस इज माइनस जे, देन अगेन -1 एंड प्लस जे, बराबर? करेक्ट है ना?
Yes.
Okay, this is minus j. Now multiply this with the input sequence, what it is given. So it is 0, 1 minus j2, then -1 and 1 plus j2. Just do the multiplication and tell me the answer. Simplify it and tell me the answer. Okay, can you do it? So tomorrow I want the answer of this question and the previous questions which I have given. That is, or else you just send me, okay, just solve the examples and send me on the WhatsApp by making PDF of these terms. So we will stop it here.